Hey there, here are your top news stories from eWEEK, sponsored by Dell and Intel. Today's topics include objections to the Nokia Alcatel Lucent deal, several new releases from Microsoft, plans for Microsoft's upcoming Windows 10 OS, and network virtualization plans from Verizon. Nokia's planned $16.6 billion acquisition of rival Alcatel Lucent is getting major pushback from an Alcatel Lucent shareholder that is complaining the price is too low. Investment firm O'Day Asset Management, Alcatel Lucent's second largest shareholder, reportedly told clients in a letter that Nokia's offer significantly undervalues the networking vendor, which is based in France. The combination of the two companies will create a networking technology company that can challenge such giants as Ericsson, Cisco Systems, and Huawei Technologies. Together, Nokia and Alcatel Lucent generated $27.5 billion in revenue last year and $2.45 billion in profit, and have more than $5 billion in R&D. At the Build 2015 conference, Microsoft released Visual Studio 2015 Release Candidate, .NET Framework 4.6, Team Foundation Server 2015 RC, and Visual Studio 2013 Update 5 RC. The company also previewed a new tool that runs on Mac OS, Linux, and Windows called Visual Studio Code. In a blog post, John Montgomery, Director of Product Management for Visual Studio at Microsoft, called Visual Studio Code the big announcement of the day. This new member of the Visual Studio family is a free, lightweight, cross-platform code editor for Mac OS X, Linux, and Windows. Microsoft says it has big hopes for its upcoming Windows 10 operating system. In a statement released during its Build Developer Conference in San Francisco, the software giant announced its ambition to have 1 billion active Windows 10 devices by fiscal year 2018. To help reach that number, Microsoft says it will take cost out of the equation for current Windows users. It will start by delivering Windows 10 with a free upgrade offer to encourage customers to upgrade quickly. Terry Myerson, Executive Vice President of Microsoft's Operating Systems Group, wrote in an April 29th blog post. Verizon is embracing software-defined networking, becoming the latest telecommunications vendor to say that it will adopt network virtualization to transform its architecture. Verizon officials said April 28th that it is working with a number of top networking technology companies, Alcatel Lucent, Cisco Systems, Ericsson, Juniper Networks, and Nokia Networks, to create a new network infrastructure that will help Verizon save money and more quickly spin out new services for its customers. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.